Hey everybody, this is Lance, the option teacher here. This video I'm going to go over the Friday trades that I took for the SRX level system. These were just 6, I actually took 9, but I'll show a few of them. All of them were winners. I was able to get 14%, 10%, and then 2 at 4%. That's when I do a runner break even. So I typically take off 2 contracts around 12 to 15%. Then I move my runner stop on the last contract to break even. 2 of those hit the break even, but it's still fine. First trade I did was a 5WM. Entered at 1.2, closed one at 1.35, closed another at 1.42, and then the last one at 1.36. I was trying to let this last one run even more, but it started to drop a bit, so I tried to close it at the same as the initial contract. So I did a staggered close on this one. You saw the EMA down, saw the break and retest down. I could have taken it here for even bigger gains, but I wasn't free at the time, but I did take it after this next 5-minute candle. And then I entered 1.2 with 3 contracts at 2.261 put. And I did a staggered close. Once we hit the S3, it was probably not going to continue dropping, so I was just take the profit there while I can. Another trade I did was with QQQ. Entered at 1.84, closed 2 at 2.01, closed the last one at 1.97. You can see an EMA sell here. Entered in at the 1.84, continued to drop right after. I closed 2 at the 2.01. Then I had a runner. It was continuing to move down, so I moved my runner for more profit. And then I closed at 1.97, which is still fine. Still a profitable trade. Once I close these 2 at the 2.01, I moved my runner at the 1.84 to start. So I can't lose on the trade at that point anymore. And then as it kept dropping down, I moved my limit and I moved my runner as well. So overall, I did a lot of trades. Those are just 2 of them that I took pretty early on the day. If you're interested in scalping or swing trading with SRX Levels, it's a really good program. It's doing very well with it. These are actually all the trades I took on 130 and made $234 profit off a $2,000 account that I'm starting with. I'll be scaling up soon, and I have a guide on how much you should be using per position, what your stop loss is, how much of your account you're willing to lose, and once you hit a daily profit, how to scale out of it a little bit to lock in profits for the day, but also gain possibly more. My target goal is $150 for the day, and I easily beat that with 234. So if you're interested, click the link in the description down below. We also have access to SPY, QQQ, and IWM. So I'll see you guys on the Discord.